All right, guys, this is probably going to be a pretty quick video because I'm just replacing these hood vents on my 2024 Ranger XLT. And this is what it looks like before. And then here is the aftermarket one. You can see it's quite a bit bigger, and it fits just like that. So I'll show you what it looks like on the other side that I've already installed. There it is. So it's much bigger. I believe it has a larger opening. Let me check and see. Oh yeah, look at that. So that's a huge difference. So that is the airflow options there. It's like 3 finger size grooves, right? And so it just allows a little bit of air through. But if you look at this new one for the other side, you've got that huge opening, almost the size of my iPhone. So it's a significant difference. Should help with better airflow, and it kind of looks cooler as well. So I'll show you how to put it on real quick. It's really easy to take the old one off. Just put your hand behind that little X right there, and just, there you go. It just rips right off. It's got the clips. I'm gonna save these in case I ever want to put them back on. Oh, cool. I didn't realize that there's a computer right there. Cool. Anyway, then when you put the doing on, which I'm not going to do right here on camera, but it's just peel and stick. Just make sure you have it lined up before you stick it all the way, because this stuff is really, really grippy. So if you stick it on all the way before it's lined up correctly, it's probably going to be really hard to get off. And by lined up correctly, I mean make sure that edge is nice and parallel to the end of the fender there. But I like it. I think it looks really cool. Makes it look a little bit more aggressive and unique. And I hope you guys check it out.